everyone, welcome back to the channel,
the Parchment Fam.
Yep, and today is Sunday the 4th. Happy 4th everyone.
Well, for those who celebrate
those who celebrate Independence Day in the US,
yes.
Yeah, so basically we're here to deliver some news. Alright, so before we get into it, if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. If you're regular viewers, thank you for your support. Thank you for continuing to watch our videos. Alright,
yes, guys.
And let's get into the video. We're not too much talking because we're time limited right now, you know?
Yes.
So kick it off.
Yes, guys. So as you know, those of you who has been following along, you know that we were expecting baby number 4.
Yeah, wait. Before we get anything, it's not like we are rush. We get the video out the way like that. We are trying hurry and something like. It's not that. It's just that this video is just to give a little update. It's not anything too in depth, but
it's an update video because we know you guys are waiting.
Yeah.
Like those who follow us along, we know you are waiting. Want to know what's going on.
Yeah, so we're just giving you guys an update, and then we're gonna give you another video with the details and everything. All right.
Yeah. Well, I get a couple of videos down below with details, but for now, this is just a small video updating you guys.
Since
what is going on
in a while, we want to see. We just want to tell you what's going on and everything.
Yeah. So yeah, the last video I posted, I was 41 weeks. Yeah, I was coming from a 41 weeks appointment, and you guys know I was frustrated and everything. Baby take forever to come. So this video is to let you guys know that baby is actually here. Finally.
Yeah, baby is here.
Baby is here. I'm glad that is behind me.
Yeah, we get through everything safe.
I'm glad
everybody
it's over with
and everything good.
Not going down that road again.
Well,
well, what?
We said that the last time.
Listen, this is it. Baby, bye. We said that. That's it. I'm not going down that road again, people.
Yeah, we leave that too now. Somebody else will give you a news, and we are giving news again.
When I go back down that road again.
Yeah, this is number 4, and we have an even number, so we don't need no more after this.
We good.
We good now. And we reach the age where at least cut off time.
As a matter of fact, we were good at 3, but I guess God had something else in store.
Yeah, so well, question. Well, God still will, but
yes,
no reason for everything. We say we do. We say we stop at 3 and we end up at 4, but leave it in God's hands. You can't fly in a God face, as they would say.
Exactly. Yes. So yes, guys, baby's here. We do have labor and delivery vlog coming.
Yeah, we did vlog the labor and delivery.
Well,
so
guys, listen. So I was in labor. I was in labor, guys, and I have to be pressing him to video.
Yeah, it's like people. It's like me seeing everything also, and then the midwife is here back and forth, and me with the baby, with the younger one back and forth, and everything. It's like sometimes we totally even forget we are documented.
Every minute I'm like, you need to video this, you need to video that. So yes, guys, we're gonna have that coming out. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, with your post notification turned on.
So we have pretty much reflagged it from the start to the end. Everything.
Yes, guys. Also, we're gonna be doing a gender reveal, because remember, guys, for those of you who follow along, it was a surprise.
Yeah, we didn't know gender.
We didn't know what we were having until the baby's born. So you can leave in the comments what you think we had, boy or girl.
Leave it in the comments, and if you wanna know, watch the gender reveal.
Look out for that.
So we're gonna post the labor and delivery one first, right?
Yeah.
And then we do the gender
that
reveal.
might be maybe a week or 2 out, because I'm gonna be the one that's editing it, and that might be.
But we're still gonna give you.
But we're gonna give you updates, like stuff in between that. But like the labor and delivery might be a week or 2 out, just to give you guys a heads up. So we're gonna do that, and I think I actually want to do like a birth story where I actually go into details. Like the labor and delivery will show you what goes on, but I want to let you guys know like what really worked. As you remember, I was trying a bunch of things to try to see if I could induce labor. So I'll be doing that one. I'll be like going in details of the entire birth story. So I know some people like to see those too. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. All right. So yeah, we wanted to update you guys on that.
The funny thing is, our first son is there. he was there, and our second child was there.
Yes,
so two of them was there.
It was
and to me,
it was a really
they were there, and it's like they sit and watch everything, and they don't, but they don't, you know, like some kids say they see their mother go through something, they would act weird. It's like they don't sit and watch everything else excited. Just how you see baby,
they see everything.
Would they not worry about their mother or nothing like that?
I know, like even at the end of it, they were like, oh, like my 2-year was like, oh, mommy push out the baby. That's what she was saying. Then my son was like, oh, at one point he wanted to laugh, but he was serious. He didn't laugh. He was like, oh, he wanted to laugh when he heard me, you know. It's like it was a good experience to have everyone. We had a home birth, you know. Yeah, I mean, and the funny thing is, where we live now is like, no, it's gonna have like a sentimental value. Like when we do move from here and you pass by again, it's like you're gonna see like, that's where your last child was born. Exactly. And you get this memory are going to be there. It's like you're gonna wonder if the room is exactly the same as it was before and all that. So, and not only that, I think I can say that with this pregnancy is like a check off everything off my pregnancy bucket list that I wanted. I wanted a surprise gender. I wanted a home birth. Like I just, you know, tick it off. Yeah. So, yes, guys, baby's here sleeping. Yeah. So just turn it around. You see, the baby there sleeping. Sleeping. So that's the little one right there. I know you would do that. So, oh gosh. Yeah, that's the little one right there. Yes, guys. So, so that's he or she right there. We're gonna tell them on the gender reveal what it is. Oh yeah, like all of our kids, they look the same when they're like that stage. Like you could look at the baby and you won't know if it's a boy or girl because they look the same, right? I think they look the same, like somewhat the same. So yes, guys, it's finally behind us. Baby's here. Yeah, so safely, soundly. It was, you know, I'm recovering. I'm still recovering. Yeah. So, but at the end of the day, we did get through everything. Thank God. Yeah. Everything is alright now. Everything went smooth, I would say. Alright. Yeah. So you can't really ask for more than that. Yeah. You know. So we just wanted to give you guys an update. We know how long ago we post a video about a week almost 2 weeks. No, it's that long. It wasn't that long because I remember I did the vlog when I was coming back from my appointment, which is more than a week. And I had baby on Thursday. Yeah. And today was Sunday. Yeah. Today's Sunday. No, it was. I went to my appointment on Tuesday. So it's almost a week. So it's like pretty much almost a week, 2 days away from a week. Yeah, because I did it. Yeah, we put out the video on Tuesday, I believe. That was my last appointment. I had baby on Thursday, guys. So So as we say, subscribe for all the details. Turn on the notification bell if you're new to the channel. If you're a regular viewer, watch out for that notification and make sure you turn on your notification. We know we're regular viewers. Them have the phone or whatever, just waiting to see what's going on. Yeah, so if you wanna see the labor and delivery video and the gender reveal, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, yes, we know you're anxious. We probably see that. And you want to know how the home birth went down and everything. You're gonna get the video and the story yeah, because the video there's like we said, my husband wasn't able to video every single thing. Yeah, but we capture the most important parts. We did get a lot and captured, but like the details behind how everything happened is gonna be in the story, because that's not gonna be captured in the vlog. You're not gonna see that in the vlog, but we're gonna tell you the story behind all of that and the story from start to finish. Yes, guys. So you don't want to miss that. Details and this and that. We're gonna share that. So look out for more videos pertaining to us and the baby. Because as far as all the little ones are adjusting, you know, that was a concern for me as well. All the our 2-year-old's gonna adjust. So you get all of that is coming up in the future. You don't want to miss out on that. Yeah, so we're gonna give you an update on that as well. How the youngest one react to the birth of the baby and how they act around the baby and all of that. Yeah. But yeah, we wanna share all of that in the video. So as we say, we're just giving you guys an update on what's been going on and what took place and everything. So that is the main reason why I haven't seen a video.
in the last few days because we've been pretty much back and forth with the doctor visits, me working at the same time.
Yeah,
so
and just recovering, you know, it's not
yeah,
easy.
it's not easy. So
and adjusting to a fourth child.
Yeah, and adjusting as well. And we're not getting enough sleep either.
You get a lot of sleep. I don't know what you talking about.
Enough.
Me not get enough of sleep because you can you get sleep.
Yeah,
Listen, people, me know you look at my face, they look puffy. I sleep more, I sleep.
Yeah.
So I don't know where.
And the funny thing when the baby sleeping,
you know, the sleep now comes.
When the young baby sleeping, the 2-year-old not sleeping. When they're sleeping, we can't sleep. We don't feel sleepy.
We don't feel sleepy. So, like right now, I should be sleeping, but
yeah, but
I want to sleep, but the sleep not come.
We'll get there, you know. We'll get there. So
yeah, I mean,
we're not gonna pretty much pressure ourselves too much on that.
We'll go with the flow.
We just go with the flow.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, so
yes,
it's
guys.
not like when me used to the home, me not getting no sleep and me know it's 2 o'clock in the night, me have to go and work. Well, thank God.
Guys, that was a traumatic experience for you.
Everything work out. Me not have to do that the job there anymore. So it basically they take a toll for me people, not just with sleep and all that. They take a toll for me health. So but let's say when we get past that and things been going good so far, and we just pray to God and hope for the best, and I hope the blessings God continue showing blessing on us, and we'll get through life, get through everything, and so forth, you know.
Yes. So, but as far as sleep, you're getting more sleep now, right? With this one, it's
not too bad. It's not too bad. We can't complain, you know.
Yes, I can.
Because most time with me not sleeping is me basically not sleepy and watching videos on the phone and all that. So yeah, as you say,
yes,
giving you guys a little update. We got way more coming to show. You don't wanna miss the videos and the stories, the birth stories, the labor stories and all that. So
all the stories.
Stay tuned. Alright. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video, if you like what you saw. And for regular viewers, remember, make sure your notification bell turn on. Go ahead and check that right now, because when we post the videos, we want to get them and watch them. Alright?
Yeah.
And share them as well.
Yes,
okay? So
alright.
Thank you for watching again. Peace out.
Bye.